A warm welcome to my detailed honest review on Viper Cache. Well, if you're running an online business or if you're wishing to run an online business, then I dare you to not ignore this plugin. Because after seeing the features and pricing of Viper Cache, you will be surely surprised. I see, according to human psychology, we humans love things that work fast and efficient rather than slow and efficient. So when you build an online business, you will be needing a website. And if you have a huge quality content on your website but your website is running slow, then according to research, 80% of your visitors will ignore your website and 20% will never come back by seeing your name. Recently I came across a WordPress caching plugins called as Viper Cache, and the manufacturer claimed that it makes your WordPress site up to 10x faster in just 30 seconds. So I started researching about this tool, and today we are going to see how this tool holds up to its claim. I will prove to you how this tool is the only option to boost your WordPress site with consideration to its price and features. So firstly, let me show you what the cache means. Okay, a cache is a browser ready version of a page that will load a lot faster because it doesn't have to be compiled on each request, so it saves your website bandwidth, lower processor and lower hosting cost. Well, the cache is globally accepted as one of the best ways to get fast landing pages in WordPress. Well, now let me show you what is Viper Cache. In a nutshell, Viper Cache is a unique WordPress plugin that speeds up your website 10 times faster and runs your pages more efficiently without compromising the quality of the website. So now, what is the unique feature of Viper Cache? Well, when you search for cache plugins for your website, you will see almost all cache plugins are so complicated that you will need a university degree to find your way around cache settings. And if you get just one setting wrong, and boom, your site breaks. Whereas with the help of Viper Cache, you can optimize your site in less than 35 seconds and with a single click. Then comes the free ones that are free cache plugins available on the internet. Some hackers also provide free cache plugins so that you can upload them on your website and hackers can hack your data. There are 300 plus registered vulnerabilities in popular free cache plugins in the last 3 years, whereas Viper Cache is an official and secure plugin proven by many researchers throughout the world with a security license. Now comes the paid cache plugins. So the paid cache plugins are good, but not perfect for all variety of themes, and also they are expensive, about $300 to $350, that they are not worth the value of your money. Whereas Viper Cache is compatible with 99% of themes and plugins, and it is worth of every penny from your pocket, which is just about $17 to $97, and this is only for this week. So grab your product from the first link in the description. So next is Viper Cache is 78% more faster than competitors. So you can make your WordPress site up to 10x faster in one click, which is built on super reliable cache technology. As it is compatible with the 99% of themes and plugins, Viper Cache will make your website reliable to any type of condition. Another thing is that it's newbie friendly and very simple to use. Viper Cache does not care about trying to squeeze an extra 1% performance if it risks their user experience or if it means that they break the quality of themes or plugins. They have no intention of playing God with other people's product. This product is built for peak performance but not at the expenses of user experience. Next is that it is compatible with all major page builders, multi-site, e-com and Cloudflare compatible, designed for max speed, bandwidth reduction and ease of use. Well, it blocks 1000 plus bad bots and auto block hot linking. If the primary purpose of cache is to speed up your site and reduce bandwidth, then any feature that increases the site workload has to be eliminated, which is why they made the Viper Cache very light. They have also auto block hot linking, which is a common way for others to use your bandwidth. Well, now let's discuss what Viper Cache can do for you. Viper Cache is based on one of the most reliable cache engines on the planet. They have built a more sensible cache that resolves these problems. It doesn't play God with your themes and plugins, it still achieves the highest performance scores. It's stupidly simple to use with fewer settings than all other cache products. It's built on a secure framework that massively reduces the potential of hacking. It has smart clearing and rebuilding technology, so it doesn't lag your site server resources and slow it down. It's built using fastest cache technology without compromising the quality and stability of your site. Viper Cache also lowers your bandwidth by shielding your site from hot linking, bad bots and known site scrapper, which makes it the first to the market.
I'm going to run a speed test comparison between Viper Cache and a competitor's plugin so you can see the raw difference in speed of our product versus what is considered one of the best on the market. Okay, so this is the website we'll be running the tests on. For this example, we'll be comparing Viper Cache with WP Rocket, which is a premium paid product that costs between $39 and $199 at the time of testing. So I've got both plugins installed, as you can see here, and we're going to use the pingdom speed test as results are more consistent than other platforms. But do take into account that all speed tests carried out using web testing apps vary with network traffic. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is run a control speed test on the website without any cache plugins activated, and this will take a few seconds as it's got to wait for the whole site to load. As you can see, it's taken 8.6 seconds to load without any cache enabled. So let's start with WP Rocket and enable it here. I see they have an update, so let's make sure this is done and running the latest version. And then we're going to leave it with the default settings. And then let's run the speed test again to see if it works as well as they say it does. So the test is now completed, and as you can see, it has made a great improvement and reduced the load time down to 2.85 seconds. Now let's deactivate WP Rocket and let's activate Viper Cache instead. Again, we're going to be totally hands off and just enable the plugin's default settings. As you can see, there is no complicated settings in Viper Cache. It's literally just one setting, and that's if your website is running SSL or not. So it's really very simple. Okay, so now that Viper Cache is activated, let's make sure the cache is loaded and let's run a speed test to see the results. Again, it will take a few moments to complete the test as it reloads the site. And as you can see, Viper Cache reduced the load time by 450% from the original speed test, and in this test it performed 77% faster than WP Rocket. Our point in this case is to show that Viper Cache is every bit as good as the best cache on the market, and it's much easier to use than other products.
You can access all your bonuses from the link which is exactly below your purchase button. If you have any doubt regarding the bonus package, you can message me or call me anytime. I'll surely reply you in few seconds.